sometimes when you become familiar with something, you lose clarity. And I think that there's a pizza place here in the San Diego airport that I've never been to. So I'm gonna see if I can sniff it out. See if we do an impromptu version of Slice of Life. I've never been to it before. I've never noticed it. Normally when I get to the San Diego airport, what I do is just go straight upstairs to the Delta SkyClub. Free drinks up there. It's beautiful. It was remodeled a couple years ago, so it's still fresh, and people up there are really, really nice. Develop a relationship with them since it's my home airport. But nonetheless, let's see if we can find go. And here we go, Tommy B's Pizzeria. Hello. I would like a pepperoni, ham, black olive, and pineapple pizza.
Okay,
pepperoni, ham, black olives, pineapple, and can I get extra sauce, extra cheese?
Okay, extra. 18.95 extra sauce, Okay, 23.
How much?
23.
23. All right. Hi. Alright, well apparently that's a true Neapolitan pizza, and for that and a water for $23 it better be. But I must say I've walked through here several times, and I've never even noticed that place. So it's always great when you can unearth hidden gems that are in your backyard. I've walked up these escalators hundreds of times to go up to the Delta SkyClub and didn't even know that that pizza place was there. So let's see what else is out here. In fact, of all the times I've been to this airport, I don't think I've walked down. Actually pretty comfortable couches, just in case you were wondering. They're actually really, really comfortable. And then, so up there is the Delta SkyClub. If we have enough time. It's 3:15, flight leaves at 4:45. We have plenty of time. After we scarf this pizza, we're gonna head up there and get a few cocktails in us. I made a new resolution at the start of the year to not do Bloody Marys. Bloody Marys have become the requisite drink for travelers. You can have one in the morning and not feel guilty about it. You can have one at night. It's like the go-to drink now. The only problem is there's so much salt in there. There's so much salt in Bloody Mary. There's so much salt in Bloody Marys that the salt, coupled with the dehydration and elevation from flying, when I land, my face is like a balloon. So much so that people will comment on it. So I'm trying to do a switch over to a screwdriver. It just doesn't have that flair. It doesn't have the moxie. It just doesn't have the firepower that a Bloody Mary does. So I keep on saying I'm going to be a screwdriver guy for 2019, but Bloody Mary sounds good right now. check this out. Literally fresh out of the oven. Literally. Alright. That's disrespectful. But it is piping hot. Too hot to eat. I just want to dive right in because it's so succulent. I'm gonna get burned, literally. True Neapolitan crust. It's thin. It has the right texture. It has the right flavor. I need one more piece to make a decision. The meats are unbelievably fresh. Pineapple is fresh cut too. I'm not over the moon. In fact, I had some questions about would I even get half the value of $23. Pretty satisfied that I got what I paid for. It's pretty good.
Attention ladies and gentlemen, the terminal anticipating announcement for the Sunset Village Coolist 7 announcement Frankfurt. Please be advised that Village 7 will not be boarding and departing on gate 48. Once again, the Sunset Village Coolist 7 announcement Frankfurt is not boarding and departing on gate 48. Thank you.
The crust is really thin. It's airy. It's not too filling. It's actually a perfect size for the airport. It's enough where you can eat a meal and be satisfied with it. And it's not too much where you have to carry around half your pizza and then bring it on the plane and it smells and people get mad at you for eating. It's a pretty perfect portion. Again, really fresh. Really, really fresh. I'm amazed how fresh it is for an airport. Airports are not known for their high quality of food. The ingredients on this pizza are extra fresh. All right, so Tommy V's hidden in plain sight all these years. Well, they redid this airport a few years ago, so at least hidden in sight for a couple of years, but hidden in plain sight, and I must say, I'm gonna recommend it. As an airport eat, as an airport restaurant, I'm gonna give it a recommendation. You know, here our recommendations go from fail, pass, recommended, and definite. And I'm gonna recommend it. I'm gonna recommend it. If you're at the airport and you want a good slice of Neapolitan pizza, a good portion, really, really fresh, not too heavy, not too light. Yeah, I'm gonna put the Coolist stamp on it.